Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to change the keyboard languages in Mac computers. First, you want to come to on the top corner on the left side, click on the Apple logo. When you click go to the system settings, click this one. Then pop up another menu, click on the cam down on the bottom of this screen, click keyboard. When you come here, see the text input source, click edit, and this screens pop up. On here there is a plus sign, click on the plus sign and add any languages you want. Like I want to add German languages. It shows another types of like Australian German, standard Swiss German, like German standard DE. It shows here like it's different keyboards. Add. Then when I came here on my languages, like it is German standard, I selected. Thank you very much for watching my videos.